Although urethane bumpers are quite rare on late model vehicles, the need may arise for one to be repaired from time to time. This bumper belonged to a 1992 Chevrolet Camaro, and, as you can see, it has developed what we call spiderweb cracks. These cracks are the result of dirt and grime settling inside cracked paint and eating away at the plastic over time. Let's take a look at how to repair these cracks using products in Polyvance's plastic repair line. Step 1. Using 80 grit sandpaper and a 6-inch sander, sand away the paint from the area you're going to repair. Once the area has been sanded, push up on the underside of the bumper in order to see the depth of the cracks. If the cracks are only surface level scratches, you will not have to do any grinding into the plastic, and you can now skip ahead to step 6. These cracks, however, will need to be sanded due to their varying depths. Step 2. Using 36 grit sandpaper, grind away at the plastic until the shallow cracks have been removed. As you can see, all that remain are the more severe cracks, which will need to be welded. Step 3. Using a 61-22 round cutting burr, V-groove into the deep cuts until the cracks are gone. Step 4. Now, using one of Polyvance's airless plastic welders, melt R01-01 polyurethane welding rod into the V-groove until it is filled out to the surface. Since these cracks are not all the way through the plastic, we will only need to do a front side repair. If both sides had been cracked, we would have repeated the process on the other side as well, filling both sides with the melted welding rod. Step 5. Allow the melted plastic to cool completely. Then use 36 grit sandpaper to shave the weld even with the existing plastic. Then sand again with 80 grit sandpaper. Step 6. Mix together 2000T flex filler, making a uniform gray color. Smear the flex filler over the welded area, making sure to fill any pinholes that may cause air bubbles. Step 7. Allow the flex filler to cure, then using 80 grit sandpaper on a DA sander, grind the filler until it is even with the existing plastic. Step 8. To further ensure that the filler is even, sand again using 80 grit paper and a sanding block. Step 9. Once you have block sanded, smooth the repair area again using 180 grit sandpaper to remove any sand scratches made by the block sander. Step 10. Next, prime the repair using one of Polyvance's waterborne primers. Allow to dry, then block sand again using 320 grit sandpaper to blend. Repeat this process until you are pleased with the texture and appearance of your repair. As you can see, even tricky polyurethane repairs like this one can be simplified using Polyvance's comprehensive line of plastic repair products.
Look to Polyvance for all of your plastic repair product and training needs. We offer iCar Industry Training Alliance courses as well as other hands-on classes in addition to the video resources you can find on our website and on our YouTube channel.